This is Colton with Arizona Appliance and Home, and I'm here today to tell you about why proper installation with dishwashers matter. Now here at Arizona Appliance and Home, we have certified in-house installers that install everything based on the manufacturer specs. Now like I said, our manufacturer specs tell our installers what to do when installing. A very important aspect of that is securing and proper leveling. Now, this is important because if it's not properly leveled or secured, it can rattle around a lot. When it comes to the leveling, it can cause drainage problems, as well as with the securing, noise issues as well. Now the last thing that our installers make sure is done properly is the hose. If the hose isn't installed correctly, it can have an air gap or not be looped high enough, and dirty water can flow back into your dishwasher, which nobody wants. Now all that included, between the securing, the leveling, the hose, is why we recommend that you use our install team versus installing it yourself.